What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? How you been? So, can we just talk about how ridiculously bad the injuries have been in Supercross this year? Obviously, being the first round of 250 West was not good for the 250 West people. But before we get into that, leave a like down below, subscribe as you're scrolling by, hit that little bell that's right next to it, and leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about the injuries of this, the first lap for the 250 guys, and let's get into it. So obviously, if you didn't see, you have both the Martin brothers out because what do they have? They have Alex Martin listed as a concussion, which if you didn't, I really wish I could put the clip in for what happened to him, which was just ridiculous. The fact that one part of the track had a red cross flag, another part of the track had a red flag, red flag, whatever, the stop race, because Alex Martin's sitting there in the middle of the bull turn, and then you have half the people thinking, oh, the race is done, red flag, half the people thinking, oh no, it's just a red cross, after I'm out of that section I can go. And then you have people running into the Alpinestars medical crew as he's running onto the track. It was just an absolute mess. You have Jeremy Martin out with a shoulder because he got landed on. You've got what's his name? Oh God, what was it? Swole? I'm trying to think of all of the injuries that happened here. I can't even remember. Jordan Smith is out. He's not out, but he's banged up. I don't know what's going on this year. Just the injuries for especially the 250 class is just ridiculous. The good thing is you've got Chase Sexton coming back in the 450s. He should be back for the next round. The bad thing is you've got Adam Cianciarulo out with a broken collarbone. More people down. You've also got what's his name? Adam Entignab, and I can never say his last name. The 722 at Entignab, he's out with a broken collarbone too. The 450s, you have to say, have held together a lot better than the 250s, with only Chase Sexton being out for a long time, and now seeing Cirillo. Obviously, you've had little things like Dean Wilson being out for a couple weeks with his knee, but nothing horrible. But just the 250 class, for whatever it is this year. The East got just decimated by injuries, and now you have the West with, you got to say, Jeremy Martin was a pretty big contender. Oh, and I forgot, Sean Cantrell is out with a broken collarbone. Everyone, drink your milk. They're just breaking bones like no one's business. But he fell in the heat race and broke his collarbone. Some lesser known, or some smaller names, I guess. Cheyenne Harmon, he's out with a head injury. Don't know what that is. Maybe concussion, maybe something else. Like I said, Jeremy Martin, he got landed on by Styles Robertson, who hurt himself a little bit, but he's not listed, at least in the injury report that I'm looking at. But they were talking about him being a championship contender, and now he's first round down. Who knows? So this is just gonna be one of those years, I guess, where it's just injury prone, which is sad because it takes away the competition. Instead of having 4 or 5 guys in each of the 250 rounds that could have won, you're down, especially the West. Now you're down to 2 or 3. You've already lost some contenders. I don't know, man. I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Why is this year so injury prone, or whatever? Remember, hit that like button, subscribe, comment, check all the socials I have listed in the description below, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.